This is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the internet. Next, launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the new tab is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, so once the Opera has been successfully installed, we can go ahead and launch the app. In here, when opening the Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple and short setup procedure. So in here, simply tap on the blue continue button, then choose whether some of the options will be enabled from the start, or you can always skip this step. I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip set Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is this page that allows you to customize and personalize the accesses and permissions that you're going to grant to Opera. I'll simply allow everything that it needs. And that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.